it's just amazing. I'm not saying they're completely gone, but I see a remarkable difference on the chest area. Wrinkles here are much better than they used to be. I'm getting older, I'm 56, so if you're looking at my face, remember the age. Hey guys, welcome to Totallyevelyn. I'm in a sort of slouching mood today. Just want to chill out and have a little chat, if that's okay. Join me after this really short break because I'm going to be telling you about the Herbalife Collagen Beauty Booster. Now, I did do a video on that one, and if you have been watching, then you'll notice that I was raving about it then. I'm going to tell you all about the results right after this break. See you real soon. Welcome back to Totallyevelyn. As you can see, I am in the exact same position. I have my breakfast though, chocolate shake, which is very, very thick, as you can see. It might be too thick. And I added peanut butter to it, syrup, and chocolate protein. I wish there was something here where you could just have a little taste. It is absolutely insane, it's so good. Okay, but I could probably eat it with a spoon. I've went too thick with it. I've went a bit crazy. It's really chocolatey. Anyway, enough of that, Evelyn, but it is really good. I want to talk about this bad boy, Herbalife Collagen Skin Booster. I really noticed a huge difference around the chest area. I hadn't noticed anything really different in the face because I had sort of wrinkles with aging. But I must say, I feel quite incredible this week. So it does say that it's going to take 4 weeks for the results to happen. But I would say it takes about 8 weeks. But then it depends on what part of body, because I feel that it's just amazing. Do you know, when you're out sunbathing, you put cream on here and you think, oh my goodness, I really don't want to, put my chest to the sun because it looks like lots of lines here. Well, I'm not saying they're completely gone, but I see a remarkable difference on the chest area. Okay, so the wrinkles here are much better than they used to be. I mean, I'm getting older, I'm 56, so if you're looking at my face, remember the age. My daughter said a funny thing to me the other day. She said, Mum, have you had Botox? Now, we're in lockdown, so how could I have Botox? And the answer to that was definitely a big fat no. I mean, I have had Botox before, and I don't mind getting Botox done. Last time I got Botox was in the summertime last year, when everything was open. And that only lasts for about 3 months anyway, 3 or 4 months. And it was only in here I got it done. And my daughter, my youngest, said to me, Mum, how have you not got any lines here? And I've got lines. She says, you've been getting Botox. And honestly, I would tell her if I did. Magic product. Tastes delicious. It is strawberry and lemon. Like, I put it into a wine glass. It looks like I'm having a nice glass of wine, but I'm not. I'm just having a nice, refreshing drink. And it really is tasty. Sometimes you buy these products and you think they taste awful. You can't even, it doesn't matter what it does for your body, you're never going to drink them because they taste that grim. But this one is so beautiful. What does it have in it? Well, it's a food supplement as well as a magic cure for wrinkles. Active peptides. That's the fella, guys. That's the one that you need. So I have been getting so many inquiries about it, and people are just going crazy for it. It's just flying off the shelves. Honestly, repeat buying because they are noticing the difference. Check the lines. Have you ever thought that when you wear makeup, that usually you'll see your lines a bit more? When you've not got any makeup on, you don't see the lines. I don't know. And I do like wearing makeup, but sometimes makeup does accentuate the lines on your face. Would you agree with that? I think so. Fabulous from a distance. You get closer up, then you can see, I call them laugh lines now because they're not as big as they used to be. Even at Christmas time I was thinking I had really bad lines. This is good stuff. This is definitely the one. Oh, I was going to show you my chest. Hold on, not literally show you my chest, but I was going to show you the area where the lines have improved. Hold on a second. Oh God, it's cold now. I'll need to put the heating on. Unbelievable, it really is. I'll leave you on that note. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want any more information about it, then get in touch with me. But I'm going to pop it in the description as well, and you can order it direct from here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it was helpful to you. And I'll see you on the next one. Do remember to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to hit that little bell for the notifications. I'm going to see if I can get a spoon maybe for my thick drink. Oh, maybe I'll just drink it like that. Oh wow, nothing nicer than peanut butter mixed in with chocolate. Thank you so much. Bye, take care. Mwah.